Today's video is on the top 3 best pool cues. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I have included affiliate links below, which are updated for the best prices. Number 3, best budget. Viking Valhalla 2-piece pool cue stick. I recently got my hands on a Valhalla cue, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. First off, it's super affordable, which is great because I did not want to break the bank. Each one comes with a 58 inches maple shaft cue, making it easy to handle. Plus, it's designed in 2 pieces, so you can take it with you wherever you go. With an industry standard stainless steel 5/16 inch by 18 inch threaded joint and a 13 millimeter leather tip, you're getting quality without breaking the bank. What's cool is that these cues are designed by the Viking cue artisans, so you know they're crafted with expertise. I could tell that they put a lot of thought into the production process to ensure top-notch quality. Before mine was shipped, it was carefully assembled, rolled, and inspected to make sure it met their high standards, and let me tell you, it did. One thing I love about this cue is its high-end features. It's got a special tip and the same weight bolt system found in the American-made Viking lineup. So you're getting premium performance without the hefty price tag. Want to stand out on the pool table? With over 100 unique designs and colors to choose from, you can find a Valhalla cue that matches your style perfectly. Don't blend in with the crowd. Make a statement with a Valhalla cue today. Overall, I'm super impressed with my Valhalla cue. It's helped me step up my game on the pool table. It's important to use high-quality chalk so you can reduce the risk of miscues and enhance the overall playability of your cue. I have them linked below. Number 2, best overall Meucci SB1S handcrafted billiards pool cue stick. I recently got my hands on one of the SB series cues by Meucci, and let me tell you, it's something else. These cues are specifically made for Southern billiards, and they're worth checking out. As someone who's tried them out, I can say they're top-notch and perfect for serious players like me. What I love about these cues is the attention to detail. The smoke-stained maple butt sleeve and forearm with checkered rings give them a cool look. Plus, the lacquer-coated white linen wrap with black specks adds a nice touch of style. In terms of performance, they don't disappoint. The 5/16 by 18 steel pin joint feels solid, and the Meucci Classic Pro Taper shaft provides a smooth stroke. And at 19 ounces, they feel just right in my hands. The grip is another standout feature. The wrap feels comfortable in your hand, giving you confidence and control with every shot. It's the kind of cue stick you can rely on, whether you're playing casually with friends or competing in a tournament. Overall, I'm impressed with the SB series cues. Whether you're a collector or a competitive player looking for an edge, these cues are worth considering. Number 1, our pick, Lucasi LP 20 Midnight Black Cue. I recently got my hands on the brand new Lucasi Pinnacle Carbon Fiber Technology series, specifically the LP20 cue. And let me tell you, it's impressive. First off, the design is sleek with a cool matte finish in midnight black. I love the attention to detail with the floating imitation bone and silver crush inlay points. They add a nice touch of style, and the Lucasi Hybrid Fusion G5 rubber grip and Everest tip, they enhance the overall feel and performance of the cue. But what really sets this cue apart is the 12.5 millimeters uni-lock carbon fiber Lucasi Pinnacle shaft. I've put it to the test, and it's clear that it's at the top of its game in terms of performance and innovation in the billiard industry. The aerospace-grade carbon fiber composition makes it super durable, giving me the confidence that it'll last for years to come. Plus, it adds a level of consistency to every shot, making it easier to achieve both power and accuracy effortlessly. After playing with the LP20 cue, I can confidently say that it has improved my game. Whether I'm playing casually with friends or in a more competitive setting, I feel more secure and in control of my shots. With its midnight black design, floating inlay points, and advanced carbon fiber shaft, it's not only a game changer in terms of performance, but also looks great on the table. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Lucasi Pinnacle LP20 cue. It's worth considering if you're looking to elevate your game and add some style to your play. Oh, and one more thing. We've recommended some top quality chalk for these sticks. You can check it out at the link below. You wanted the best, you got it. That's it for the top 3 best pool cues. For more product info, check the affiliate links and our website toppick3.com. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest product videos.